Outspoken Northern legislator Honorable Temba Mliswa described the power cut that occurred during President Emmerson Mnangagwa's State of the Nation address SONA in Parliament as a deliberate act of sabotage, blaming systematic failure, weak oversight, and what he calls a parallel intelligence structure operating within government. So nabena mashoko panapa Mliswa achiti army figures were the ones behind Parliament power cut not for subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina unamobda kwa mchinzi. Speaking to reporters while attending the Sadc Parliamentary Forum Conference in Maseru, Lesotho, Mliswa said the incident was not isolated and reviewed a deeper institutional crisis within the country's energy and security system in quotes. It's disturbing to hear what happened in Parliament when the President was delivering the State of the Nation address, said Mliswa. The truth of the matter is this. This is not the first time it has happened. The last time it happened, what measures were taken, and what lessons were learned. We don't want scapegoats. Mliswa criticized the suspension of ZVAITWA Managing Director Gurupira, saying the blame should not rest on one official. In cause, the Managing Director of the ZVAITWA has been fired or suspended, but he is not at fault. It's an entire system failure. When this involves the Minister of Energy, the Permanent Secretary, and the security of the country, from the President's office to the police to the army, these are people supposed to give the President accurate reports, he said. He argued that the advance team responsible for assessing Parliament's readiness ahead of the SONA had failed their duty. A State of the Nation address in Parliament cannot be ignored by the Secretary to Cabinet or the Minister of Energy. The Presidency Secretary always has an advance team to check these issues. Why did they not double check everything this time? Mliswa said such negligence was unacceptable, noting that in many parliaments across the world, there is never any power shortage when the head of the state is addressing the nation. Mliswa made explosive claims about internal divisions within the military intelligence department, suggesting the existence of parallel structure allegedly linked to the wife of the vice president. The problem we have, which I must say to the nation, is that we also have the wife of the vice president, who is part of the intelligence, the MID, being in the position she serves the interests of her husband, she said. He alleged that the influence had compromised the country's security apparatus. We know her husband's ambition. He is eager to the president. So, in doing her work, she serves his interests, not those of the country. She is running a parallel structure, said Mliswa. My passport and boarding cards that were once exposed on social media by AI came through here. She has been doing that. Doma shukarubuda pangwa atakuwa Temba Mliswa pamsoro aikwape the PAAKATAIKA ku Parliament. Nakoma section medu zofungura any more kulipa pamsoro pichit coach. So unsubscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.